Hello friends, this is Ansuraj and in this video we will discuss about the characteristics of C++. If you want to watch another video of C++, so go to the link and check out them. Sorry. Do you know? C++ is a fast, versatile and most popular programming language, and there are many more characteristics. Okay. C++ is not a purely object-oriented language. What? C++ is not a purely object-oriented language. C++ is hybrid that contains the functionality of C language. It means it means you can use all the features that are available in C. Okay. C++ supports the concept of object-oriented programming such as data abstractions, data encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Do you know about data abstractions? It hides some details and so essential information. Example: assume this is a ATM. It is a ATM. Okay, and you see it hides. You see it hides certain details. ATM hides certain details, and so only essential information such as bank balance, etc. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and meet in next video. So thank you for watching this video.